Hello guys.
Hi.
How are ya?
Welcome back.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Let's do a little
Take some pictures.
downtown.
And you can vlog around.
Bro, oh yeah, I didn't even ask what the attire was.
I didn't either. We can always go to your house, hit it up real quick.
Yeah, and get changed. Your colors match. I got tan, black, and purple.
That's the drip right there.
That's black. That's black right there.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's split. That's split right there.
I might vlog a little bit today, depending on what we do. I mean, if we hit up Riley and get some sushi. Yeah.
We can go check out my car, see if they got it out.
Right.
And we can in my car.
You sure? You sure? Cause you know I can handle it.
Just so you guys know, Kelly is not a bad driver. She's just... I'm taking over the channel. Kelly is not the main owner anymore.
Girl, you just talking just to be talking. Just look it up, because I think some of them closed at like 2, right? And did it open? It do that when I think. It be poking out like this. I be thinking like... Come on, sis. Ask me some questions.
All right.
All right.
I don't know what to ask.
All right. All right.
How many bodies you got?
Oh. Okay, wait. Let's make some...
No, answer. She's not gonna post this. She is not gonna post this.
You want to do it? I'm gonna post it.
Bro.
I might edit it out.
What's the worst thing you've ever done in your life?
The worst. Ooh. What do you think the worst thing that I done?
Oh.
Ooh, but don't say it. Just whisper it to me. Oh gosh, I thought you was gonna say.
Bro.
There's nothing.
Nothing.
But to me, maybe this video is just too much.
Maybe.
That's a lot of information, right?
We should Google some questions. before
Yeah.
we record.
That's a lot of information.
But let's go look in Ross what I need to do.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah,
we can
yeah.
go change it. We can go take some
Oh, yeah,
photos,
yeah, yeah,
and then
yeah,
we'll
yeah.
vlog while we're taking
Yeah.
photos. Did you do an intro for today?
Oh no. Okay. Welcome back. You feel me? Thank you for tuning back into my channel. You know what I'm saying? Tuning in with your girl. I got my BFF. I don't like that. We don't do that. We do this. I got my BFF with me. You feel me? We finna be hitting up these streets. Might hit up Raleigh again. You know what I'm saying? Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
They won't take it
No.
down.
They won't take it down. No.
I'm leaving, bro.
All right, let's go. Weezy out of here. Your phone
Watch
on
the
your
car.
phone on the charger.
Watch the car.
Watch the car. What car?
Your viewers, you idiot.
Bro. I should have brought the I was trying to water it from here.
I didn't know that. I literally saw his little leg.
Child, let's pose and take screenshots of the thing, sis. The only thing we don't be knowing how to pose. Ooh! Period! Are you ready? Yes. Just okay. Sis, just set no pose.
I'm sorry, the sun is
I'm over here. Ready?
Okay, uno.
Those- This cheetah print look nice. In the sun.
Only you can watch Cheetah Princess.
Only me. Only me. That's actually cute. That's real cute. What else you want to take pictures at, sis? That's how I do be green.
Train track.
No. Oh, that one? Yeah. That one?
You wanna go to you wanna go pick up my car and we can go to the dam? No.
You didn't even let me talk. I try to match your swag. You peep me with a white shoe, sis?
Yes.
You peep me? Did you learn that TikTok? Because I did.
Which one?
No, I didn't learn it. The one you sent me?
Oh, the
Mm-hmm.
the Spanish one?
Mm-hmm.
No, I didn't.
I always wanted to do that. Wow. That's lit.
You don't want to go to an abandoned dam and take some pictures?
She always down for the risky adventures, but I'm always down. I end up doing them eventually. I just want to grab your knee like, trick me out.
Yeah.
But that's the one with the bruise on it. I told you my nails are growing. Bro, look.
Now it's
Since you get
ashy.
ashy. I didn't think you get ashy for real. We've been encountering some rude people today. I don't know what's tea. I'm talking about.
This is the iPhone 14.
That case better be of some use.
It is.
Shoot.
It is. It's got a little scrape. Nah, it's good.
Alright. It's alright. But the
Anyways,
screen good?
yeah.
Alright, baby. Since you holding it wrong like this. Oh, the sun. See, but it's not
finna.
finna.
You don't want to pick up my car and go to the dam.
I mean, oh, shit. Okay, I'm down.
All right, guys, we'll catch y'all at the dam. Well, we can, if you want, we can record my Honda when we're picking it up, and then from there, we'll just skirt onto the dam.
My favorite vehicle. We back at it, you guys. We in the. This not even mom's.
This is not a scene, but it is okay
You feel me?
to try new things.
Oh, look at Ladybug.
Where?
You see it? You think it's still alive?
No.
'Cause that means good luck. It's alive. Yeah, it's moving. Oh, it's moving. So we're at like this abandoned dam. This is probably my 5th time coming here.
Yeah, most of them
Before.
were at night.
Not my choice, but you know I have to tag along. Can't leave the bestie hanging, you feel me? But it's very beautiful up here during the daytime. She always want to come when it's night, but I like coming when it's daytime, honey, because you know, it's safer. You feel me? But it's a nice view. I'm going to show y'all the view. And I'm going to include the pictures that we just took. 'Cause I love doing
Giving
this
thick.
pause.
It's giving thick.
Keep your legs like that, yes. Since you could have.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine, oh. If you loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. Girl, I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Look at I love you every day. Diamond dancing.
It's a nice vibe up here, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is a nice moment to clear your head. You feel me? Just get off that box. Is that concrete?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You see the dangerous one, and I'm the more safe one. Like, I guess you could say I'm the mother, right?
Yeah.
Basically. Girl. No, man. For real. All right, no, for real. Okay. Hold on. Stop that way. Come on. Wow. Come on. Dang. I have to look back to make sure she's not on that thing.
What? You talking shit?
Oh yeah, y'all. After this, I don't know what we doing, child. You know us. The one thing I feel like every time we hang out, our day's not even planned. It's just like. Ooh.
No. To leave, you have to record yourself going down.
Okay. That's gonna be a progress. That's gonna take 10 times longer to get down than it did go up. Am I lying? Leave without me. I'm gonna just slow you down.
All right.
Let's get it. Let's go.
You recording?
Yup. Mm-hmm. Look how far down. Look at the y'all. And I can't look through the camera, so I don't know if I'm vlogging or not. I can't, sis. I usually step to the side like this. It's just usually be down there doing her thing while I make it down. My knees shaking. I feel them.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting. Ooh, child.
But see, this was decent for you.
This is scary. Yeah, the first step is decent. And I'm surprised these ain't get loose, you know, because they like rusted.
Don't say that.
I'm just saying.
Last flight.
Shoot. Ooh, child. Ooh. Slippery at the end. And that's the tour, y'all. So if y'all ever wonder what this little building was, yeah, there are cameras here.
Oh no, there wasn't one. But I thought there was a camera up there.
Oh, that kind of do look like a camera.
but
But there's a camera on that pole and stuff. Because I think this is actually a place you can chill because they got the little park benches right there. You guys, it's your girl Kelly. You feel me? Out here doing some, you know, nature teams with my BFF behind the camera. You feel me? Shout out to we just got done taking some bomb photos in this abandoned deb. Show them the little vibes. You feel me? The river. The river.
Sorry. Sorry.
We had to climb these stairs, child.
Mhm.
I don't know if y'all could really see them, but you know, it was worth it. It was worth the view. And yeah. Yes, sis. My leg's gonna be hurting tomorrow.
You think so?
Yep. How bad my knee was shaking and my thigh.
Style.
Wheezy out here. Let's get it. Let's go. This is nice though. It gives it that like, you know what I'm saying?
Like the difference between 5%
Uh-huh.
and no.
Scream.
God,
Oh, wee.
that's a big difference.
This is a nice vibe. You feel me? Just put your seatbelt on. Safety precautions. Safety precautions. We just came down the street to, honestly don't know what this place is called. It's like a nice little pond and then houses. I thought this was longer for some reason. Or maybe it was. It looked like it broke. Yeah. We used to get on that thing all the time. Sis, don't get too close to the... Yeah, that thing broke. Oh. But this the vibes, you feel me? Ooh, sis, I ain't never went this way, I don't think.
Yeah, we have.
This way? I don't remember. You said it's right. Look at you. Look at you. So we out here at the waterfall. Enjoying nature. Only ones out here. We're always the only ones out here. The water. Here go the vibes. It's a cute little vibe. You feel me? It's a cute little vibe. Can't complain, can't complain. I remember coming down this path. No, sis, you're doing too much. Come on. Let's go. Wheezy out of here. Step. Sweeney. Oh, child. What we finna do now, sis?
Drive to Tampa. I don't know.
Back to the sand trap.
Creepy little bridge. Oh, I'm gonna make you walk across.
I can't. I do not like going through that bridge. And we run through it.
Yeah.
We run through it.
Big ass, get that